Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. I hope you're having a good weekend, wherever you're viewing this from. So this is episode 13 of Look What I Found. So it's always a popular one each week. And so some of these coins we have found together as we've been noodling. But there's been some extras that I've found. And there will be a giveaway in this video, so make sure you listen out. I will be giving you instructions on what I want you to comment on. So make sure you keep watching as we go through. All right, so starting at the back left here, I found a low mintage 1985 10-cent coin. So around the 2 million mark, I think it was from memory. So worthwhile holding on to those ones. Each week my numbers are starting to get a bit lower on the Marbos. Only found 4 this week. I probably didn't go through as many coins as what I normally would. The machine that I return the coins to has been broken down for a whole week, which was a bit frustrating. So I managed to return some of those coins today, and I've grabbed a whole heap more for my next session. 1979 double bar. So seem to feature one of these almost every week. But we'll just quickly zoom in there. We can see the double bar. Oh, well, we can see one bar. I didn't actually go and look that close, but yeah, it's pretty much a one bar. So it's a 1979. Not sure what's going on there. That's a little bit different. Alright, so behind the emu's head there, see that little line going in the back of the emu's head? There's normally 2 bars. There's some slight little indication that there may have been 2, whether it's been damaged or not, but at the moment it just looks like a 1 bar, which, anyway. Yeah, that's a keeper. So there, we won't go through all the coloured $2 coins, but we've got plenty of them down the back there. And we found 3 poppies, which are worthwhile keeping at this stage. What was this? This is the one I think I showed or I found yesterday during the hunt, and I didn't actually. You guys were watching very well, and you picked up that there was a big cud. There's probably a couple of cuds there. A big cud on the side of the ruse head there. Just point that out. So just there's a big cud actually, and there might be another little one just there, but obviously we've got the big rabbit ear there. So that's you guys have nicely watching, because a couple of you pointed that out to me and I didn't even realise. So that was an extra nice little find. Alright, what do we got? Oh yeah, this is another one we found in yesterday's video, which was the missing leg. And 2015. We won't go through them, but that's a 2019 dollar coins. A few different ones there. That was a nice one to find yesterday as well, which was the Commonwealth Games dollar coin, and fairly rare to find in circulation. Technically, I don't think that they were actually introduced into circulation. They were in the sets. So yeah, I don't think they were introduced through the tills. Only the coloured coins were. Another low mintage 2015 $1 100 years of Anzac. I found a couple of those this week. This was really the find of the dollar hunt this week, which is that lamination error there, which is a very nice error. We might zoom in on that a little bit closer. You can just see that crack running straight through there. It's yeah, it's a good find. I think I've got a couple of these, so yeah, I'll have to go check. Alright, so did I do this one? What was this? Oh yeah, a 1994, so that's the year of the family. We did a video on this one not long ago either, which was the wide date variety, and I come across heaps of the thin date version, but the wide date variety is nowhere near as common. So that was a wide date variety right there. Possibly worth a few dollars. Let's just zoom back out again. So now that we're sort of a bit over halfway through this video, the question I want you to answer in the comments in order to be in the giveaway, and I haven't actually told you what I'm giving away yet, but I will be giving away 2 prizes. I want you to write in the comment, what's the capital city of Australia? Okay, it's pretty easy. If you're from overseas, you may need to look it up. It's not Sydney. So yeah, put that word in the comment, and at the end of this video we'll talk about what I'm actually giving away. Alright, so we've done alright with the state coins this week. There's a Tasmanian one. I think I had a Tassie. Oh, did I do a... Anyway, I found it during the week sometime. Victorian one. So they're all 2001. This is the Centenary of Federation coins. And what's this one? Oh, another Victorian one. I found 3 New South Wales ones. That was a good find, that one. That's a nice high grade one. And the last one I found is the Norfolk Island coin. So that's also a nice one to find, and certainly worth more than 50 cents. Usually around the $3 to $4 sort of range. Oh, yes, and this one here is a nice high grade, low mintage, 2011 $2 coin. So 1.8, 1.7, 1.8 million of those, and certainly $5 or $6, somewhere in that sort of range. Alright, so now we get to the giveaway coin. I found 2 of them this week, so I'm going to give them both away, because these are tough to find, but I actually got lucky at the time and managed to pick up quite a few bags of these coins, where they're sort of, this here is a missing SD. Okay, so I'm holding it upside down so it's a little bit easier to see, and so we'll zoom into where the SD should be. You'll see some fine little indentations there, but you cannot make out that it actually says SD. So it's a die fill error. You can see there's a slight little area there where the SD should be. So basically, if I get my little pointer, oh, come on, focus that in that area there. So I'll grab the other one. We'll have a look at that one as well. Alright, you can see that little indentation there, but you cannot read SD. So this is a 2015 missing SD coin. Okay, so these guys sell for $10 to $15 each. So they're highly collectible coins, and I'm going to give away both these 2. So if we have a look at another 5-cent coin, just pick one up. Am I fully zoomed in? Yes, I am. So you look in the same spot. I'm holding the same light on it. You can see the SD, and then on the 2015 version, there is no SD. So that's the designer's initials, Stuart Devlin. Yeah. So all right, guys. Well, you know what the instructions are. Make sure you answer that question and leave a comment, and we will be randomly drawing the winner. Probably in a couple of days' time. Probably, let's make it. So today is Saturday. Let's make it Wednesday. What day will that be? Today's the 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. Let's make it the 15th. Your answers need to be in by 6 o'clock Australian Eastern Standard Time. And if your names are drawn, I will send you each one of these to Error Coins. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Have a good day.